Okay, because the shea butter coconut oil, it was a really, I left it in the freezer a little too long. So as you can tell, I've switched to a different blender blade, and this definitely has gotten it to a very nice whipped consistency. So there's some chunks still in the bottom, so I'm just going to scrape the sides down. I should be using my handy dandy spatula, but I cannot find it. And I'm going to do this video again and show you a little more step by step how you can make your own homemade body moisturizer that is so good for you. No chemicals, no preservatives. So depending on what climate you live in, you might have to keep this in the refrigerator, or most definitely keep it someplace cool.